Hey everyone! If you're a Notion power user, you know that keeping track of deadlines is everything. But Notion doesn't have a built-in live taking timer. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve that by using vClock. It's the simplest no sign-up method to get a real-time countdown on your dashboard. Let's break down every single click. We start by heading to vclock.com. Once you're there, look for the Countdown tab. You'll need to input your specific target, the year, month, day, and even the exact minute. Once you hit the Start button, the site generates a unique environment just for your timer. The best part about vClock is that it's high contrast and very easy to read, which looks great once we get it into Notion's clean interface. Now, look up at your browser's address bar. You'll notice the URL has changed to include the specific date and time you just set. This is a dynamic link. Highlight the entire address and copy it. This link acts as the bridge between the vClock website and your personal Notion workspace. Without this exact URL, Notion wouldn't know when your deadline is. Jump over to your Notion page. Find the perfect spot for your timer, maybe at the very top of your project manager. Type / followed by the word Embed. You'll see the Embed block pop up in the menu. Hit Enter. A window will appear asking for a link. Paste that URL we just copied and click the Embed link button. Give it a second to fetch the data and your live clock will appear. When the timer first appears, it might be too big or show parts of the vClock website you don't need. Hover your mouse over the embed until you see the black bars on the sides and corners. You can click and drag these to crop the view. If you pull the sides in, you can focus the window strictly on the numbers, making it look like a custom-made widget rather than a website window. This makes your dashboard look much more aesthetic. Remember, since this is a live embed, you can move it anywhere. I recommend creating a 2-column layout in Notion by dragging the timer next to your to-do list. This keeps your deadline front and center while you work. And because the link is saved in the embed, it will continue counting down accurately every time you refresh or open the app. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.